Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Purely Purple Butterfly. I am your Purple Butterfly, Shanti, and today I am super excited because I was actually sitting here trying to figure out what to do the next video on, and then my doorbell rang, and ta-da! In case you don't know what this is a Stitch Fix box. Now, this is something that I was actually going to get to later, but since the box came today, I think it is a sign that we need to talk about this today. Stitch Fix is one of those shopping apps or personal shopping programs where they get a sense of who you are through like your Facebook page or your Instagram page, as well as you have to do a questionnaire, of course, of what your likes are and what you don't like, and then they have a shopper put together a package for you that contains 5 items. Now it can be jewelry, it can be shoes, it can be clothes, skirts, tops, whatever. Me personally, I like buying my shoes myself, and as well as undergarments and stuff like that. I like picking stuff like that out myself. I don't want anybody else doing that. But when it comes to clothes, I never have enough time to go shopping for myself. So this was a absolute perfect way to do my shopping without leaving my house. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Stitch Fix box. That is Zoe. That is why I don't have time to do enough shopping. So anyway, so we're going to get right into the box. I'm going to unbox it for you and show you all the different things that come in with it. And then I'll also link down below the link if you would like to try it yourself. And so just to give you a few little details about it, basically it is a subscription of $20 per fix. So you can set that up bi-monthly, monthly, every 2 months, however. The frequency is really dependent upon whatever you prefer. And every time they have a stylist put together a fix for you, it's a $20 fee. Now, should you end up buying stuff from the box, this isn't a rental program, this is a buying program. So if you end up buying any clothes from the box or the whole thing, then that $20 is deducted from the cost of everything else. So also, as a side note, if you end up buying everything in the box, then you get an additional percentage off, and I'll look at it in just a second, but you'll get an additional percentage off for buying everything. So, just so you guys know, as we're looking in the box, they normally send you all these nice little notes and stuff. Thank you for letting us style you, all this good stuff. So that is, it is a 25% discount that you get for buying the whole box. So they normally send you all of that. Now, I wrote a special note for my stylist, and so the note that I left my stylist was that I wanted summer clothes centered around my signature color. And so it looks like she tried to do that. So we will see how this goes. So let's see. Let's open the packet. So this is, everything is rolled up in here. So let's see what we've got. I'm so excited. Okay. So we've got, oh, this is more of a dress. So we've got this, and it's kind of funky. Got this funky kind of dress going on. You guys see? What do you think? And then we've got, oh, this is more like a blouse. It's not purple, so points off for that, but it is something a little bit different. I don't know if I'm holding it up right. It looks very, very, oh my goodness. Let's see. This is still not seeing a whole ton of purple, but let's see. Okay, now I'm just lost. this is, oh, okay, I got it. I figured it out. Okay, I got it. So this is, wow, this is interesting. This is very interesting. I'm gonna have to try this on to get a better sense of how exactly this is going to work. So, we'll see. We'll figure it out. So that is that. Alright, so this is, it's nice. It's nice. Now, just for the record, my favorite colors, and I did include this in my note, my favorite colors are lavender, and as well as a royal purple, or that deep purple color. So this is okay. We'll have to see how it looks. All right, and then this must be the skirt that she was talking about, which I do like this skirt. It has pockets of that deep purple color in there that I do like. So,
Mommy, are you ready to rush you?
Really?
Rush you.
Come here.
Tell me.
Right there. Say hi.
Hi. Tell me. What?
Okay, so what I am going to do, I'm going to try these on, and I'm going to show you guys, and then leave me a note down in the comments what you liked, what you didn't like, and then after I try them on, I will come back to you guys and we'll kind of wrap this up. Alrighty? So that is the box. See you in a minute. Okay, so hi everybody. So I'm trying something a little bit different with this filming, and I decided to play around with the different way that I film things. So this is true to life. This is me being real, you guys. So. I want you guys to let me know what you think, and if there's one that you liked, or what you think I should keep, and what you think I should send back. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I'm going to be experimenting a little bit with how I film and everything, because I really started thinking about it, and I want it to be true to life. And true to life is kids in the background and things going on and messy house and things are crazy. That's just me being real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do make sure that you wish LJ a happy birthday, because it is his birthday tomorrow. That is my craziness. That is my life, and I hope you guys like it. So Let me know what you think. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button so you can get more real life. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
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 Follow me. Bye. 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 Bye.